While delivering President Museveni's message at Kasese Diocese Cathedral fundraising conference, Deputy Speaker Right Honourable Thomas Tayewo highlighted the crucial role of faith-based institutions in national development and spiritual growth. President Museveni praised Bishop Francis Aquinas Kibira and the faithful for their resilience in pushing forward the cathedral's construction despite setbacks. He also commended the diocese for its contribution to the health sector through Mount St. Mary's Hospital, which has helped to bridge the gap left by the destruction of Kilembe Mines Hospital during floods.
The leadership of Kasese Diocese has maintained cordial relations with the NRM government. I thank the leadership of the diocese for promoting unity and development among the believers in Kasese district and beyond. To use this occasion to thank the Catholic Church for taking advantage of the private sector-friendly policies of the NRM government extends social services to the public. I commend Kasese Diocese for making a contribution to Uganda's health sector by constructing St. Mary's Hospital.
President Museveni, through the Deputy Speaker, emphasized the importance of financial stability and economic empowerment for the current generation, urging believers to recognize the essential role money plays in accessing basic goods and services.
Modern economy, you cannot obtain the goods and services which are necessary to sustain life without money. Therefore, the first step that must be taken by an individual or household is to eliminate moneylessness or subsistence living, which satisfies only one need, that is food. Moneylessness can be eliminated by undertaking a profitable enterprise in one of the four sectors of commercial agriculture, industries, services, and ICT. These are the four sectors which you can create jobs and wealth.
President Museveni cautioned believers against neglecting their earthly responsibilities in pursuit of spiritual goals, urging them to emulate Jesus Christ by caring for both spiritual and physical needs. He also reaffirmed the government's commitment to peace, security, infrastructure development, and job creation.
Crucial point which some believers fail to understand and put in practice. In the process of working for heaven, some of the faithful become negligent about their earthly responsibilities and thereby end up perpetuating and entrenching socio-economic backwardness and poverty in their respective families and societies. Jesus Christ should serve as an example to all the religious leaders and their followers.
In his sermon, Bishop Aquinas Kibira Kambali urged Christians to live like good Samaritans, showing compassion and care for others are the true path for meaningful life.
We are called to be a good Samaritan. And we talk over it, we don't understand it. We are called nowhere to Elibia abanyamahanga abakatwanira abandi. A Samaritan is a stranger. So we are called to be strangers in our own land, but to care for all others.
Senior Presidential Advisor Christine Muhindo thanked the Bishop, priests and Christians for their tireless efforts in fundraising. She also appreciated President Museveni for prioritizing Kasese's development and keeping the region close to his heart.
Bishop, I said this that we have to help him. Bishop is working very hard. We should also try very hard to make sure that we assist him to actually, he will be one of the best in Uganda, and within the resort region, Yamuru Kali Yuene, Kaliama Behendukeruma, Ganamsimana Father, my senior Bishop, because Bishop can't work alone. The Christians, I thank you very much.
Minister of State for ICT, Honorable Godfrey Baluku Kabyanga, urged the Christians to take to heart the Bishop's message and called for continued prayers as the country enters the political season.
Aloe Masinjeri Asa, Masinjeri Mbeka Nisa, Molekerere message ya Bishop Amaba, akatulishe chinyo, kandine speech ya ma. Mukia mama uligerai, mukindi karabor. Bishop usabira etobosi, abali mwakarukanu, utiomukama asombole omwembebetia oyoikiri.
Thousands of Christians stand up with cash, items and pledges to support the Kasese Catholic Diocese fundraising drive towards the 5 billion Ugandan shillings needed to complete the cathedral construction. Powered by Xavier Baluku for Church of Uganda Family TV News at 8.